Paperless parts. What is it? What can it do? What advantages does it provide? Let's talk about that next. Paperless parts. So before we get into the tool, let's talk a little bit about context. Mainly this deals with machine shops, actually exclusively deals with machine shops. And this solution is targeted at the costing, quoting, and kind of the bid or proposal process that machine shops go through to win jobs. So this solution actually can be embedded within the website for a machine shop. And basically this is an interface that people can come to and upload their 3D model to that machine shop's site and request certain quantities and certain delivery dates. And then paperless parts, which is that thing that is embedded in the site, then does a bunch of stuff for the machine shop. It has a costing algorithm that it applies to the 3D part, and it looks at, it's fairly comprehensive. It does a full analysis. It looks at what type of machining operations would be involved and what would be required, what types of equipment are required, because machine shops only have certain numbers of certain machines, and you have to be careful about how you schedule that. It will develop a proposal for that automatically, a baseline, that the machine shop can then go in, and there's a whole kind of back end to this. So there's the embedded component that goes on your site that a manufacturer would go and upload their 3D part and request quantities and dates. And then there's a back end that the machine shop uses for the rest of the process. So this is where they look at the proposal. This is where they can tweak the proposal. This is where they can send it back out to the requester. But it also includes a whole bunch of other interesting capabilities. There's a scheduling capability. There is a discount or an upcharge, depending on if they want it faster, if that whoever's requesting the quote actually wants it faster than what can nominally be provided. So there's a whole, and that's tied into the scheduling software. So as soon as certain times are taken up by a job, that is then removed from all the other proposals that are being sent out. So it's a way to automate and improve the quality of the process for machine shops. Really, really interesting. And I know the leaders of the company have said that they have improved their profitability and the revenue for a lot of machine shops because today's process is very ad hoc. Some might call it a little bit broken because it requires so much effort and it requires so much expertise. So it's a really interesting solution in that it kind of combines a lot of the internal processes that you see within a machine shop for quoting, but also a key component of it is leveraging a 3D model to automatically do the costing for the job and generating the proposal. And all that can be kind of configured and customized to the processes that particular machine shop uses. So a very intriguing solution. I advise that you check it out if it's applicable to you as a machine shop. That's it. Paperless parts. Take care. Talk soon.